pressuring me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you though.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Helen. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I really hope you enjoy. Today I wanted to switch it up a little bit and show you guys my apartment and show you what I've been doing to decorate a little bit for the autumn winter. I always love watching these kind of home videos and getting inspirations and just easy affordable ways to make your space super cozy. So that is what I'm going to do today. If you guys like these kind of videos, I would love if you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button and join in. I'm just going to jump on into today's video that I have been buying for my apartment recently, and I hope you guys enjoy. So firstly, when you walk in, I added these little twinkly lights to my plant. These are just battery operated, and I just think they give such a cozy effect, especially at night time. This is my new candle for this year. I picked it up from HomeSense the other day and it smells so beautiful, so I wanted to light it and get the cozy vibes going for this video. These were $12.99, so totally worth it because it's such a huge candle. So then I always go and turn on my little oil diffuser. I got this one from Amazon, and you can change the colour just using the remote control, which is really good. I always put in the little lavender and the Restore from M&S essential oil. It's my favourite. I also then turn on my Himalayan salt lamp just to add to the extra coziness. So as you can tell, I really love lights, and I've added some little twinkly lights around my TV. I just think it's really cute, and I always keep them on this setting. You can change the setting on them to make them flash, but I think it's a bit much, so I keep them on this, and I just love it. So here is a little pumpkin candle that I recently picked up from Poundland. They did have a few different candles, pumpkin and a little cauldron one, which I got as well from Poundland. So check those out if you're looking for little pumpkin ones. These here are little skull or spider webs, I think. They're just in the Halloween section, and I just thought they were nice because they added a little touch of orange. Then I got these little sweets, which are Halloween themed, and I just put them in my jar. This jar here, I think is from the range if I remember, and I just keep that on my little coffee table stool. Hey guys, so I'm just back in from HomeBargains. I went and got a few little things, and I'm gonna open these. If you guys haven't smelled them, they're so nice. I had the Floral Breeze one for like summertime, and now because it's like autumn winter, I got spiced apple. The button at the back to activate it. So you press that, give it a shake, and I'm gonna go and put one in my bathroom and one in my hallway as well, so let's go do that. So in my bathroom here, I have this little setup here. I got this tray from TK Maxx, I'm sure, and then I got these different aromatherapy sets from HomeSense. So I'm just gonna give this a shake and just kind of put it in the middle at the back here, so it's not like ruining the display, but also can like give off a nice little scent. Yeah, so these were all, this one here is actually a perfume, but the rest is from HomeSense, and I just really like the vibe it gives. I also picked up this black and gold metal wired basket the other day in HomeBargains, and I thought it would be cute to just put some apples and some fruit in it. So that is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put in my little apple display. I think especially for autumn, the apples are really good this time of year, so I'm just going to put them in this little basket. So over here I have like a statement chair, and I added on this white rug to it. So this is just like a faux sheepskin rug, and I've just draped it over the top of it. I just think it gives a really cool effect and just looks really nice. And then I've added a little cream cushion. So this is what it looks like in the corner. I just love the effect of adding a rug. And I'm also not sure if I have shown this plant and this plant pot on my channel before, but this plant pot here is from Madeline Home, and it's just like a lovely gold metal color, And then my friend got me this plant, and it's actually grown so much since she got me it, so I'm so happy that I've kept it alive. But yeah, I love these standalone plant pots. So this little sign is from the range. I just think it's really cute. It's over by my little coffee stand. And yeah, if you haven't tried this coffee as well, this is from M&S, Italian style coffee. I highly recommend. It's definitely one of my favorites. It's nicer than this one is. So highly recommend this M&S brand. But yeah, how cute is that? So I also added here underneath my candle, I have a Vogue magazine, which is the September or October issue. I kind of like buying these ones because the September issues are huge. They kind of act like a coffee table book as well. So I have the September one from last year, and then this is the September one from this year, and it's just really pretty. So I'm just adding this tray on top of it here with my little fall candle, and it just acts like a little coffee table book, but it's just a magazine. So I'm also going to change the colors on my lights behind my TV. I have them set at purpley pink at the minute, but I just use this app my phone. It's called Govee, and you just can change the colors yourself. So we could do like an orange or a red or purple, blue. I think I'm gonna go more like orangey colors, and then like select your own and it'll change whatever color you want. Let's see, we'll go green, blue. I normally have it like at a pink, but there's like a pinky purple, or they have with white. You can also save it, so you can just hit save to my colors, and then here's all my favorite colors that I've saved so far. So if you can see behind me, this is like pink and blue, white, red, dark purple. So I just got them off of Amazon, and they're absolutely perfect for behind my TV. So let's go with this one. Just gonna put something on to watch. Leave your recommendations below if you have anything really good that you've been watching recently. And yeah, I'm gonna find something. Hey guys, so I made these little bao buns for my dinner, and I've just added in this little dish some sweet chili sauce. And these are so delicious. You get them in Tesco and you just put them in little bags from the freezer. So I'm gonna have some of these for my dinner, and yeah, I'm just having these, and then I'm just watching some YouTube, chilling out. And it's not a cozy day if you do not have a lovely nice bubble bath to end the day, so I wanted just to include this. I love this Feel Relax from Radox. It smells so nice. And here's my little bath setup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you got to see little bits of my apartment, and I hope it gave you some good tips if you're looking to decorate for the autumn winter as well, and just cozy up your space. I think there's nothing better than having a cozy night in a nice, clean and decorated place. So please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye guys.